Moderation, in a general context, refers to the act of overseeing and regulating something to maintain order, fairness, and adherence to specific rules or standards. In our case, the API provides functionality to check if content complies with OpenAI's usage policy, namely moderating text. This can be used to filter content. When content is moderated, the model classifies the text into multiple categories and subcategories. For example, hate or hate threatening, harassment, harassment threatening, self harm, and more. Let me show you how it's done. Here's the sample. The endpoint that I use is the /moderations. In here, I need to provide as data the input, which is the text that I want to moderate. If I execute with I love them, I can see that flagged equals false. That is, this has not been classified as text that needs moderation. And I can see the category scores at the bottom. Now, if I modify it to, for example, I want to kill them, and I execute, we can see flagged equals true. It was classified as harassment and harassment threatening, which means that content like this may need to be filtered out.